Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can duplicate a product in Wix. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in products, and then you'll click here on store products, and you're gonna be here. And now we want to do is just like simple click these three dots here next to this eye, and you're gonna see duplicate. When you're gonna do it, it will automatically like add like everything here. And yeah, this is pretty much how we do it. So you just click save here, and this is how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide some guidance and support and stuff like that. And yeah, goodbye.